videos every Thursday and Sundays. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment. Let's keep the conversation going. Click that notification bell. Hey Niners, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so for today we are going to be painting this. So from Amazon I got this chalk paint, and it's a clay base, superior adhesion, easy to distress. And I got these brush sets. Well, the theme in my room right now is black, and then I have this brown. So yeah, we have to change it because I'm trying to, revamp the room. I'm just going to start painting, and I'll take you along with the transformation. So I don't know how long this is going to take. I might speed it up, I don't know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click that notification bell so you know when next I do upload. Alright, the first time I'm going to be doing this. I've never done it before, and we'll see how good I am. Someone will be like, you ruined it. It was fine, but it was brown. Lighting next for your opinion. You can see, don't mind the dog. They're just annoying right now. I can't stand it. This is done. Look at these. Now I'm gonna focus on adding these because I just want to change up my room a little bit. I'm gonna be, hopefully when I'm done, I'll be able to show you what these all look like in my room. Wait on that video. But now we're just gonna be painting these and these words: peace, relax, love. And then once I'm done, like, it's giving it like a chalky finish, so I'm going to be finishing it up. Like, this is the first coat. I'm gonna be doing the second one, and we're gonna let it dry. Once that's done, we're gonna spray paint it. Yep. So that is what I'm going to be doing for the next hour. I'll check back in with you in a little bit. See you in a bit. back. Yeah, we are back. Painting. Look at all of this. I got that on me. Oh well. Look at that. Look at all of that. But I do like the way it's turning out. It's coming out really well. It's really coming out really well. But I'm still gonna spray paint. Yeah, I'm still going to spray paint. These were these, and I don't know. These were all gotten from the Dollar Tree, and the acrylic paint that I used to paint these black Dollar Tree, the acrylic paint that I wanted to attempt to make these white. You see what happened? There's paint on it. There is paint on it, but yeah, it's non-existent. So I'm going to have to paint this black. I was trying to do like a black and white theme, but it's gonna be all black. So now I'm gonna let this one dry with the white paint that it has on it, and then let these dry with the black. Like now we're going over this one with the second coat, and once that's done, I'm going to then paint this black, and it'll be time for my spray paint. I just got it opened by my sister, so I'm gonna give it like another 30 minutes to dry, and then spray it all, and then I'm gonna leave it out and let it all dry and come back and pick it back up, and I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, the sun is not out. It's not up yet. So I don't know when this is gonna dry, but I'm going to spray paint it, leave them here for about an hour. And once I do that, put it in my garage so that it can just air dry. And by tomorrow, I think I would have like the final look for you if it's dry by then, because this video has to go up by Sunday, because videos every Thursday and Sundays. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, comment. Let's get the conversation going. Click that notification bell. So let's spray paint. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna try it on these first so that I know what I'm doing, because I actually don't know. So I'm gonna move this. This is like the first time I told y'all. All right. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, that looks nice. I'm glad I actually painted it first, because it's just adding. It's really just adding a vibrant look to it. When I let that dry, because I have to do the inside. Let's look at this one first. Transformation time. Ooh. That's dope, y'all. I don't know if I'm using too much spray paint, but we shall see. Alright, yeah. I'll show you the final product of that one in the next clip. Hey, this is the last part, and I'm just showing you the final product. I hope you've enjoyed this video thus far. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.